So class fourth B, sorry fourth A, class fourth A, subject GSC and date 16/10/2020, and we are studying the lesson 15, the sun and the weather. Lesson 15, the sun and the weather. The sun and the weather. The sun and the weather. In this lesson, we have studied about the weather. The sun warms the earth and temperature. You have studied in the previous lesson that opposite seasons occur in northern and the southern part of the earth. Why is it so? It is because the earth is tilted to one side. This tilt in turn carries the northern and the southern half of the earth nearer to sun. The half which is nearer the sun gets more heat, and so it is summer there. The other half is farther away from the sun and has winter season. The sun warms the earth more in summer than the winter. We have studied up to here. Now next, unequal days and nights. Unequal days and nights. Unequal days and nights. Days and nights are mostly unequal. Days and nights are mostly unequal. The parts of the earth tilted towards the sun remain in light longer than other parts. So, days are longer, hotter, and thus the highest summer seasons there. So, days are longer, hotter, and thus highest summer seasons there. On the other hand, the parts of the earth farther away from the sun remains in light for a shorter time. So days are shorter, colder, and thus has the winter seasons there. So days and the nights are unequal. The part of the earth tilted towards the sun remains in light longer than the other parts, so they get more heat and that side has summer season, while opposite side have get light for a short time, so the days are shorter, colder, and thus winter season there. Now air. Air is all around us. Air is all around us. It is made up of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. Air is all around us. It is made up of gases. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. A blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. A blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So you know that air which surrounds us makes out the atmosphere, and air is a mixture of the gases. It also contains water vapors, water drops, and mainly contain the water vapors and some dust particles, some germs of the diseases may also found in the air. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. The heat of the sun causes winds to blow. When the winds blow, generally it is called breeze. Oh, so when the wind blows gently, it is called breeze. A strong wind is called gale. Very strong wind are called storms. When strong winds blow accompanied by thunder and lightning, it is called thunder storms. Thus, the wind also affect the weather of a place. So winds affect. Now next one is the sun and land breeze. Breeze, sun and land breeze. The sun and land breeze. Sun and land breeze. So diagram is given here. This is a diagram. This is the sea. This sea that contains the water, and here cool airs from the earth comes, and the hot air that moves towards, and hot air rises up. This is called as the sea breeze. Sea breeze. Land and the sea and land, sorry. Sea and land breeze. It is during daytime. during daytime. What happens in the sea breeze? The land gets warmer sooner than water during the daytime. The land gets warmer sooner than water during daytime. So it is hotter at the places far from the sea than those near the sea. The hot air rises up from the land and the cool air from the sea flows into into take its place. Thus, the wind blows from sea to the land by day. This is called sea breeze. So, what happens in case of the sea breeze? During daytime, the land get hot, get warm, fast in comparison to the water. So the air which is found on the land become light and moves toward the upside, by which a place is vacant on the land. This place is filled by the air coming from the sea, and in this way a cyclic movement takes place. The cyclic movement of air takes place by this way, and this is called the sea breeze. Since the cool winds comes from the sea toward the land, so it is called as the sea breeze. Sea breeze blows during the daytime, and just opposite is land breeze. Let us discuss about the land breeze.